Hi everybody, Bethany here and Chicken. And today we are playing a cooperative game called Hoot Owl Hoot. And we shall win together or we shall lose together. Let us see how it goes. So, the goal of this game is to get the owls from their starting positions all the way to the nest before the sun rises. And the way we do that is by drawing cards from our hand and then from the draw pile. And we'll see what colors we can get. So we move the owls from color to color. And if we get a sun card, then we have to move the sun one space across the board. So we'll see who wins. Will it be the board game or will it be us? Now, it is unfortunate that in the dealing, we actually got a sun card. And because Chicken is the youngest, we have to play the sun card first. So we'll go ahead and put that on the discard pile and move the sun one space closer to its goal. And there you have the cards in front of you. All right, so now we got to figure out which one is the furthest from here. So I'd say the green for my cards here. So we're going to take the furthest owl and put him on the green space there. And I'll draw another card. All right, Chicken. Who you moving? And to what color? Okay. And this one? Okay. There we go. Yep. I'll grab you a card there. All right. Now, I guess for my next one, just so that they're all fairly close together, I'll move this one to the red. There we go. And then I'll draw another card. All right, your turn. So this one to the blue? All right. There we go. Oh dear. Now, for the next one, I'm going to do my blue card and go all the way to the next blue here. And then you have to play your sun card because that's the rule. So there we go. And the sun moves another space closer to daybreak. And we'll draw you another card. There we go. All right, so I have another purples. I have 3 purples that I can use. So I'm gonna move this one to this purple. Oh my goodness. Suddenly a lot of purple. All right. Orange. So this one to the orange? All right. There we go. Draw you a card. Ooh, you got a purple too. All right. So all I can do is play purple. And I can move this one all the way to this purple here. And then I'll draw another card. So you're going to do your purple. And that one's going to go all the way to this purple here. Wow, you traveled pretty far. All right. Yeah, that would probably be a good idea, just to have him catch up a little bit. So we'll move that one to blue there. And then, uh-oh. Oh, we don't have to worry about that until it's my turn again. So, what are you gonna do?
Cluck, cluck.
All right, so we're gonna move this one to the next blue, which is all the way over here. That's pretty good. And then I need to get you your card, and then I have to play the sun card.
Cluck.
There we go. All right, where are we moving next?
Cluck, cluck.
Yeah, that would probably be good. So this one, and then did you want to move this one to the next blue, or did you want to move that one to the next blue?
Cluck.
This one? All right. There we go. Oh, yeah, because that'll make it, I can actually use one of my purple cards and catch this one up all the way over here.
Cluck.
Cool. Oh, yep. There you go.
Cluck, cluck.
So this one in green. There we go. Grab you another card. All right. I could probably. Might be good to move this one to purple. So there we go.
Cluck, cluck.
So this one or this one?
Cluck.
This one? All right. So there we go.
Cluck.
Oh dear. Now, I don't have a green one or a yellow one in front of me, so does that mean that they all go or just the one?
Cluck, cluck.
All right.
Cluck.
So then I get rid of one? Okay. So we got one owl in the nest. Let's see if we can get the rest of them in there.
Cluck.
Oh dear. Yep. I have to move the sun here and give you a card. Oh no! And I have to play my sun card. Oh no! Okay. So then we move it for yours. Phew. But I still have to play mine. So there. Okay.
Cluck, cluck.
So there we go. And then this one is in the nest. And we can put out another card. And then I can put any card in. And this one's in the nest because I don't have any more colors left. We won! Cool! And the sun only made it about halfway, so that's pretty good. Now there are more owls that you can start, so this is sort of the beginning challenge. And so there's up to 6 owls that you can add to this game and see if you can get them all home. So this will be available to check out starting at the end of March, and we hope that you enjoy playing it. Bye-bye!